Hello, my name is Selena. I am a postpartum doula and sexual wholeness mentor in Manhattan, New York. I am 35 and am doing the dual MSW MED certification program with added trauma certification. One way of phrasing the question is, why has it taken me so long to do this? And I've thought about that a lot. As I'm doing the homework assignments, as I'm doing the reading, I'm thinking back about graduating with my BA in 2006. I went straight from high school to university, 4 years, in and out, done, lickety-split, and then I got lost. And I tried med school and failed, and I tried doing a master's in literary theory and failed, and life was incredibly challenging. This was a time when my first marriage ended and I lost my family due to religious differences, and I was homeless and I was trying to start a new business and yada 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 yada, and life happened. And then I looked at Widener in 2014, and I looked at the program and I looked at the demands, and the honest answer was that I didn't have the emotional support system or the financial support system to pursue the degree, even though I really wanted it. Flash forward to 2017 and 2018, when I composed and submitted my application paper. My business is doing well. I have a wonderful, loving, supportive husband. I have created my own little family, and I'm ready. We all bloom at different times. Looking forward to this class with everybody, and see you soon.